Hey guys, it's Katie Lendel here. What you're gonna learn in this video is exactly what you need in order to create that long-term success in your business. So let's get right into it. One of the main things that I've noticed helps me build my business and see the growth in my business is consistency. I know you might have heard about it, but it is definitely a crucial aspect in building your business. You need to have that consistency in your business. You need to take those daily action steps in order to take your business to the next level. So I've noticed a lot of times if there is like a few days that either I'm on vacation or I'm busy just with my family, just doing a lot of things, or guests come to visit or something like that, and I don't have much time to work on my business. I've noticed how much harder it is to pick up when I've missed a few days of being consistent, and it's so much easier to keep doing the little things, even if you work like 1 hour per day, or 2 hours per day, or just do at least a few little things in a day that you're very busy and you don't really have time to work on your business. I know, how busy life can get, especially if you are, a parent, if you're a mom or dad, you have kids, or you go to college, or you work, or you do both, or you do three at the same time. I know how busy life can get for you. So I just wanted to say, just do at least a few little things per day that will get you closer to your goal. So consistency is very important. Don't think that you're gonna, maybe you're gonna take a break for a couple of weeks or a month or whatever break you want to take. For example, maybe you don't see much results in your business and you're like, okay, let me take a break for like a month or whatever, 2 months, and then I'll continue building my online business, or I'll continue going through this journey. I would say, don't do it. If you quit for a month or two, it's basically going to be like you're starting over again. So it's going to be very hard for you to start over again if you're taking a long break, a month, 2 months, 3 months break. It's basically going to be like you're starting over again, starting over building your audience again and engaging your list again and stuff like that. It's going to be really hard for you to pick up again where you left off. It's going to feel like you're starting over because you forgot a lot of things. Your list maybe forgot you over a few months, or whatever it is. It's very hard to start it over again or get it to run again. It's going to be like you're starting over. So stay consistent every single day. Take those daily action steps. Create a plan of action and take those steps in order to get you closer to the next goal that you have. So the next one is continue building your audience. Continue building your tribe. Because if you quit building your audience, you're going to just promote things over and over to the same audience. It's not going to help you build your business. You need to continue growing that audience. Either it is on Facebook, YouTube, Snapchat. I would recommend building it everywhere. Start with one and start building, continue building it to the next platform, then the next platform, because not all people are going to be on Facebook, and not all people that are on YouTube or on Facebook are going to be on YouTube. So you're going to build that audience of people who are new following you just on YouTube. It is especially important to share your social media platforms on different kinds of platforms. For example, if you are on Facebook, if you're more active on Facebook, but you are building YouTube as well, go ahead and share your YouTube channel so people will actually go and subscribe to your YouTube channel as well. So if you're most active on Facebook, but you do have YouTube channel and you do have Instagram, Snapchat, go ahead and share those accounts on Facebook to your Facebook followers, because the more people that are connected on more of your platforms, the better it's going to be for you. Because there's a lot of reasons why, but one of the reasons is when you are promoting something and you have for example made a post on Facebook that you're promoting this incredible opportunity or a product or an offer or whatever it is, and you do have followers on a few other accounts, the fact is that people need to see that offer at least 7 times, sometimes a little less, sometimes a little more, in order to make the buying decision. So if those friends that you have on Facebook are also connected with you on YouTube or Instagram and Snapchat, and you're promoting on all of these platforms, they're gonna be able to see that offer already, for example, 4 times. If you have like 4 social media accounts and you're promoting that offer everywhere, so they're gonna see it 4 times. Plus, if they are subscribed to your list, they're gonna see it in your email. So it's gonna be much easier for you to convert or to get high conversions, because you have all these followers that are connected to you on over all these social media platforms, plus subscribe to your list. So they're gonna see that offer a few times, and it's gonna be easier for them to make that buying decision, because they have not only seen it once, but they've seen it a lot of times, and that you're serious about it, that you're promoting it and you believe in it. They will resonate with your vision and mission that you have, and it's going to be much easier for you to for them to make the buying decision and for you to make those sales. So that's 2 things that I wanted to share with you guys today: consistency and building your tribe, building your audience on a few different social media platforms, and connecting them all together, or bringing them all together on different social media platforms that you have. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you got a lot of value from it. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. I provide a lot of trainings on internet marketing, on how to grow your business, how to build your business, and how to grow your presence and tribe online. So go ahead and subscribe, and go ahead and comment below if you have any questions. I'm open to answer any questions that you guys have here on YouTube for me. And go ahead and like this video if you did enjoy it. Alright, I look forward to see you on the next one. Bye bye.